Hello, welcome back to Carol's Action Plan. I got this Gerard Cosmetics mystery box yesterday in the mail. Not the Pride one, I wanted the bigger one. I think I'm gonna turn my light on. What do you think? Nah, I don't need all that. It's daylight here. So this is the box. I think it was like $69. It was the, here, let me open it. It's hot. I feel sweaty because, you know, it's like 70 something degrees. I know, I'm not in a hot part of the country so much. So this is, what I got was the GC Platinum box. Here's a little card thing. I want to also get one of the Pride boxes, but I ran out of money because the month is almost over. So let's see what we got. I use a lot of Gerard Cosmetics lippies. I don't have that many yet, but here is a lip pencil, and this color is Night Shift. And let's see. I will swatch it for you. Oh, it's a dark one. You know I like my dark stuff. It's like a wine, burgundy wine. I'll use it. And then next we have, what is this? This is Lip Medic. Medic! Did you ever see Starship Troopers? Or they yell medic all, actually they yell medic all the time on Top Master Chef Junior. So I can't even open these things. I'm just gonna rip it. I don't even care. So anyways, I worked today and it was okay. So this is Lip Medic. I don't know much about it. I'm assuming it's to repair my lips. See if it smells. It smells good. I can't. It almost smells coconutty, but not really. I can't place it. I'm not a pro smeller. This is a bunch of travel size, slay all day. In green tea. I already have one of these, but I'm running low and I like this scent a lot. Very good. So far, so good. This next one is a Color Your Smile. And this is the shade Pink Tiara. Lip glosses are in this season. Ooh. Pink Tiara. Here, let me do a little swatch on my hand. There's Pink Tiara. I really ought to do a lipstick destash video soon because I have a lot. I feel off center here too. Here's another lip pencil, and this is in shade Share, which I already have and I love. But I'm glad because I'm about to run that out. There's what Share. I have the Share lip color too, which is awesome. So that's Share right there. I enjoy. That's one of my go-to lip colors nowadays. Good job, Jen. And then next is a Rich Luxe copied this for me, I'm telling you. This is a Supreme Lip Creme in the shade Wild Berry Tart. Let's have a look-see. Oh, that's nice. These are like regular people colors. Okay, here's Wild Berry Tart right here. Be nice if my shit would. Man, I can't wait to get a real camera someday. Next is this is another Supreme Lip Creme, and this color is Destiny. Fancy. Oh, another pink. And honestly, if I don't feel like I'm going to use them, I have plenty of people that I drop makeup on all the time. That's the top one. That's Destiny. It's more of a rosy pink. I like it. This is the Bullet regular lipstick. This is Lilac Moon. Probably would like it already because I like purple shades. Oh yeah, love this. There's a lilac, and I actually have like a lilac sort of glitter lipstick, which I guess would pair brilliantly with that. This is a HydraMatte liquid lipstick. I have a few of these already. What color are we looking at? Invasion. There's an Iron Maiden song called Invasion. Just wanted to know. Oh, this is pretty. This would actually go good with the Sheer lip pencil. And then I think the last lip product is, what's this one? It's another HydraMatte. Oh, MetalMatte. Oh, yeah. You know how I love my metal. I'm excited about this one because this one's called Cherry Bomb. Nice. So excited. So there's Cherry Bomb. Super cool. Let's look again slower because I'm so freaked out by how awesome it is. And then also, this is a Bright Express whitening system. I could use that. So perfect. And the last thing is a little sale day makeup bag. Cool. So well worth the money, in my opinion. Sorry I didn't get the Pride one. Maybe I'll get to it next year, because I'm assuming that she will do it every year, which would be awesome. Unless I figure out some way to finagle $40, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. So yeah, that's really cool.
Hello, Amazon.
Hi Amazon, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
We get packages all day, every day.
Oh, lovely. Bye. See you later.
Have a good one. So that's the bag, zipper bag, and that's that. So I can't wait. Ooh, the lip gloss has a mirror on it, I forgot. So only got one of those. Peel off. It doesn't love a handy mirror when you're trying to gloss up your action. Alright, that's it for this video, and hopefully I'll film in the morning. I'm wanting to kind of, so my lip color is kind of more teal than regular blue, so I might try to base a look off of the lip color. It's Collective Cosmetics, called Ponzi Scheme. So it's like a teal with sparkles on here. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'd appreciate it if you are new here. If you stuck around, just hit the subscribe and maybe thumbs up, leave a comment. I totally appreciate it. Thank you so much.